Hello guys, I'm People Baha and welcome to Copperplate from Zero to Hero with P. Baha. In this first video of my channel, I want to teach you an amazing thing that maybe you can't find it in all of the YouTube videos channels, and you can find that how you can make thickness in copperplate with pen just with a pen and a paper. And maybe this is an amazing thing that you can find this first video. Come with me to learn this. Okay, guys, let's start. In this handwriting, you can see uh, I make some more thickness in some parts of the letter, and in other part of the letter you can less thickness. And how I do this, how I can do this, I show you. In originally and common, some handwriters use the pen with the soft writing handwriting pad. Uh, this is soft, and when you use the pen, maybe in a common way, maybe you don't press on your pen, you can make this thickness. But if you press the pen on your paper, your balls of your pen droop in the soft writing pad, and you can make more greater thickness. Maybe this is 10% of the ballpoint, and this is maybe 60% 60% of the ballpoint. Okay, you can use this percent of the uh, ballpoint. But in this video, I want to show you. Sometimes you don't have writing pad. Maybe uh, your writing pad is a table that's hard, and you want to make some thickness. How I can do this? For example, you can see how I press the pen on the paper. I can't make more thickness than this, and it's no good because I want to make different thickness for my letter. In this video I show you a very amazing technique to do this, and this means bending paper. This technique named bending paper, and I can't find this technique in YouTube, and maybe it's the first time I want to teach it for you. So how you can use this technique? See, friends, when you press the pen in the paper with the hard writing pad, maybe you can use 10% of the ballpoint. But if you bend the paper, bend the paper uh, behind the pen, you can use more of the ballpoint, more percent of the ballpoint. You can see I bend the paper and write a line and paint the line. You can see it's so great than this line, maybe 90% of the ballpoint. It's greater than this one. That when I press it in a writing pad, soft writing pad, it's so amazing. We can in this technique we can make some so great, super great thickness and so great for us. For example, let me use another paper. Maybe I want to write a, a word hello in handwriting. Hello. You can see that all of the thickness in the word is the same, and maybe it's not good and it's not beautiful than the word I want. But when I use the bending pen technique, you can see how I can make the word beautiful than before. Okay, hello. Maybe I can bend it more and E. How even where you want to make thickness, you have to bend the paper on your pen. Okay, okay, and oh, it's not good because I'm seeing on my phone and it's maybe so difficult that um, write and see on the phone together. But you can see that this technique is so amazing to write letters. Okay, maybe I write um, horse horsework, and if I if I use the soft writing pad, you can say the word letter. I can make more greater thickness than this, and you can see how much is different there are. Okay, okay, guys, I want to show you an amazing technique, but I don't teach you copperplate uh, until now. If you don't know what is the copperplate and how you can use the copperplate technique to better your handwriting, please subscribe my channel and see my videos in the future. I will teach you completely um, the technique of copperplate, and you can use it just with a pen and a paper. Um, Thank you very much. Bye bye.